Hello friends, welcome back to the Justice Junction. In this video, I am going to continue Law Commission reports. Generally, today we are going to discuss about 11th, 12th, 13th or 14th Law Commission and reports. So, fasten your seat belts and get ready to the intellectual journey of Law Commissions and its reports. 11th Law Commission in India, established in 1985. Was headed by Justice D.A. Desai. Justice D.A. Desai was a prominent jurist known for the expertise in law and legal reforms. Under his leadership, the commission focused on reviewing and suggesting reforms in various aspects of Indian law, including criminal law, procedural law, and administrative law. The commission recommendations aim at modernizing and streamlining the legal system to ensure justice and fairness of all citizens. 114th Law Commission report, which talks about ग्राम न्यायालय, जो 1986 में आया था. 115th Law Commission report, which talks about tax courts, 1986. 116th Law Commission report, formation of an All India Judicial Service, 1986. 117th Law Commission report, training of judicial officers, 1986. 118th Law Commission report, method of appointment of two subordinate courts and subordinate judiciary, 1986. 119th Law Commission report, access to exclusive forum of victims to motor accident under Motor Vehicle Act, 1939. 120th Law Commission report, manpower planning in judiciary, a blueprint, 1987. 121 Law Commission report, a new form of judicial appointments, 1987. 122 Law Commission report, form for national uniformity in labor adjudication, 1987. 123rd Law Commission report, decentralization of administration of justice dispute involving centers of higher education, 1988. 124th Law Commission report, the High Court Areas, a fresh look, 1988. 125th Law Commission report, the Supreme Court, a fresh look, 1988. 126th Law Commission report, government and public sector undertaking litigation policy and strategies, 1988. 127th Law Commission report, resource allocation for infrastructure service in judicial administration. 128th Law Commission report, cost of litigation, 1988. 129th Law Commission report, urban litigation, mediation as alternative to adjudication. 130th Law Commission report, Benami transactions, a continuum, 1988. 131st Law Commission report, role of legal profession in administrative of justice. Now we are going to discuss about 12th Law Commission report. The 12th Law Commission of India, formed in 1988, was chaired by Justice M.B. Thakkar. During his tenure, Justice Thakkar and the Commission played a pivotal role in addressing legal reforms and promoting justice in the country. They focused on modernizing and simplifying laws, streamlining the legal system, and enhancing access to justice for all the citizens. Justice Thakkar leadership during the Commission contributed to significant advancement in India's legal framework and administration of justice. 132nd Law Commission report talks about need for amendment of the provisions of the Chapter 9 of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1973, in order to ameliorate the hardship and mitigate the distress of neglected women beneficiaries. 133rd Law Commission report talks about the removal of discrimination against women in matters relating to guardianship and custody of minors children and elaboration of the welfare principle, 1989. 134th Law Commission report talks about removing of deficiencies in certain provisions of the Workmen's Compensation Act, 1923. 135th Law Commission report talks about the women in custody, 1989. 136th Law Commission report talks about the conflicts in High Court decisions on central laws, how to foreclose and how to resolve, 1990. 137th Law Commission report talks about need for creating Office of Ombudsman and for evolving legislature administrative measures inter alia to relieve hardship caused by inordinate delays in settling provident funds claim for beneficiaries, 1990. 138 Law Commission report talks about legislative protection for slum and pavement dwellers, 1990. 139th Law Commission report talks about urgent need to amend Order 21, Rule 92, Clause 2 of CPC to remove an anomaly which nullifies the benevolent intention of the legislature and occasions injustice to judgment debtors sought to be benefited. 140th Law Commission report talks about need to amend Order 5 Rule 19A of CPC 1908 relating to service of summons by registered post with a view to foreclose likely injustice 1991. 144th Law Commission report talks about need for amending the law as regard power of courts to restore criminal revision applications and criminal cases dismissed for default in appearances 1991. 142nd Law Commission talks about concessional treatment for offenders who on their own initiative choose to plead guilty without any bargaining 1991. 143rd Law Commission report talks about legislative safeguards for protecting the small depositors from exploitation. Now we are talking about 13th Law Commission report 1991. The 13th Law Commission of India, established in 1991, was headed by Justice K.N. Singh. Justice K.N. Singh was distinguished legal experts who played a crucial role in shaping the legal landscape of India. During his tenure as the chairperson of 13th Law Commission, he oversaw the examination and reform of various legal matters, contributing to the modernization of Indian laws and statutes. His dedication to legal reforms and his profound understanding of the legal system made him a respected figure of field of law. In this commission, 144th Law Commission report talks about conflicting judicial decisions pertaining to the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. And 145th Law Commission report talks about Article 12 of the Constitution and Public Sector Undertakings 1992. 146th Law Commission report talks about sale of women and children, proposed Section 373A Indian Penal Code. 147th Law Commission report talks about the Specific Relief Act 1963. 148th Law Commission report talks about repeal of certain pre-1947 certain Central Acts. 149th Law Commission report talks about removal of certain deficiencies in the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. 150th Law Commission report talks about suggesting some amendments to the Code of Civil Procedure 1994. 151 Law Commission report talks about Admiralty jurisdiction. 152nd Law Commission report talks about custodial crimes 1994, and 153rd Law Commission report talks about inter-country adoptions 1994. Now we are going to discuss about 14th Law Commission report, Chairman Mr. K.J. Reddy. The 14th Law Commission of India, established in 1995, was chaired by Justice K. Jayachandra Reddy. Justice K. Jayachandra Reddy was a distinguished jurist and legal expert who played a pivotal role in shaping and reforming the Indian legal system. During his tenure, he worked on various important legal issues and made recommendations to enhance the effectiveness of the legal framework in the country. This Law Commission talks about 154th Law Commission report, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1996, and 155th Law Commission report, the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985, and 156th report, the Indian Penal Code 1997. That's it for today. Stay tuned, stay informed and stay engaged. Thank you for joining us today for exploring the Law Commission reports. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Goodbye.